I'm not sure. We got footy. We're going to get this thing rolling.
Get surgery.
Cool. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Boom.
Sir.
What's up, B? How are you?
I'm well. How are you guys?
Good. Incredibly well. What is something that you are watching currently on eBay?
I'm really trying to calibrate how low the obvious is going to go. Right? So I think, look, not everyone talking about a dip. There was a major dip in March, COVID, respect, obvious. But then there was a huge fucking dip in like September, October.
Mm-hmm. No
No obvious. And then when you look at it in 24-month windows, everything's up 500x, 1,000%, 500%, excuse me, not X. What I'm trying to do is fucking pull some fucking all-time moves out. So like PJ Tucker goes to the Bucks, and I'm like, let me analyze what this means. And can, for some weird reason, Giannis get weird? Because I'm very much snaking the grass on Jordan, Kareem, Elgin, Baylor's passing probably creates a little bump. I haven't looked, but like to me, the classics are still way underpriced. And then it's weird life. It's the Harry Potter thing we mentioned. It's weird Pokemon. Lou knows this. Lou knows this right now. I'm actively, the last thing I've gone super ham on is a very weird set of a very big iconic IP, very out of left field. And I think it's one of the great calls of all time. And Lou likes it, which Lou's affirmation is always good. So I'm buying up some weird stuff. But my main focus right now is all-time great cards that have been consistently the shit out of my mouth for 3 years. Dr. J, Kareem, Magic Bird, like some of them. I mean, again, obviously Lou, you and Tyler know I'm so deep in some Vayner-Chuk stuff right now that I'm a little bit, but I'm trying to sneak in every minute. But I saw some sort of text come through in a friend chat on like Magic Bird 8s, I think. And I was like, whoa, this is starting to get to my attention graph again. So, to me, I'm paying attention to classic stuff. And that's what I'm looking at.
Mm-hmm.
Amazing. So I'm not eBay myself. Like I haven't built eBay. I'm getting a lot of comments about me being eBay. But
No, you're eBay.
I'll take it, but I'm not eBay.
Me and Lou call you eBay behind your back.
That's true.
EB and Y stand for something. We'll let people guess what the EB, A, and Y stand for when we call Tyler eBay behind his back.
That's
you're
true.
You're definitely eBay to us.
Wild.
I'll take it. I feel like there's something to be done there. I feel like I can live it. I can rep it. I'm waiting on word in. Nice. I'm waiting on word in for winners. If you are tuning in, that means, and you are commenting, you are being entered into win. I have one quick question for this crew though, because I get it a lot. Do you actually think I look like Mark Zuckerberg?
I'm gonna go with yes.
No. I don't get it, but I get it.
I think you do. I see where it's coming from.
Like eBay is Mark Zuckerberg. Interesting. I'm not sure. All right, we are 1 minute away from announcing the winner of this product. Flawless. Gary, you actually have, and I know you grew up, I think, a little bit more into the gambling side of things. Thoughts on ripping wax as a new form of maybe sitting down at the blackjack table?
You mean that I used to be a degenerate in my 20s and would like lose a third of my net worth in Vegas in a weekend? Yeah.
Yep, exactly.
And then finally realized like I'm not going to win that. I think what I think about pack poker. I think it's like the most fun thing on earth to do. Like, let's open like real expensive wax and let's do lowest serial number, lowest jersey number, or highest, and let me take your really expensive card. Like, I'm about that life. I think it's way more interesting than like regular betting, because there's an asset class that comes along with it. In general, I think there's some really fun math around gambling, and it definitely gives you more juice for games. And I think popcorn and a soda and chocolate at the movies for $42 makes a movie better. So I very much understand why $100 on Boise State makes it better on it, So I think that it's part of the culture. I'm happy that it's not demonized in back alleys. Like, it's not like Glenn Curtis's like mafioso aunt. Like in college, like Glenn's aunt was like my bookie. She was like some 47-year-old like South Boston lady that like one time I like forgot my money in New York and I didn't have an ATM card. I was like, next week. And she's like, we'll see about that. And it was like a baseball bat. And so like, I'm glad that it's like now DraftKings and like fucking YouTube wax. And so, I think it's cool. It's not where I'm at. Like, I'm at weird shit that nobody can see and the classics. That's me. I'm a consistent boy. But like for me, if you get off on ripping Flawless or Panini's new stuff, and I'm about that. I also completely disagree. I know, Mark, you're better looking than Mark.
My man. Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
All right, well, we got the winner in. We're going to announce it while Gary's here. I know you got to bounce, and then you're doing like the dip off, make a move, and then maybe make an appearance at the after party.
Is the after party on Clubhouse?
The after party's on Clubhouse.
I will be there.
The winner of the Flawless box is at Card Palooza.
No.
At Card Palooza.
Not Palooza.
At Card Palooza.
Not Palooza.
It's the after party Card Palooza. And are you crypto Card Palooza?
Guys, I'm really freaking out on Palooza.
I was like, wait, did you just exit and bring it in?
Rabbi V is in the building, and he's very excited. God brought Palooza the win.
Is he in here? Can we get Card Palooza in the chat? I pinned it.
Palooza, get in here.
But Palooza, we need you. We need you badly. And you are the official owner of this winner. That's a good job. That's a good job. This is yours, my friend. This is yours. And I haven't seen any in the comments yet. I'm sad. But if you pop up, we can join. Gary, appreciate you coming on for a quick segment with us here. Appreciate you.
I'll see you at the after party. I don't usually even come until it's the after party. So I'm excited for the after party on Clubhouse. But the fucking after party on Triller is going to be lit. It has not been promoted. It's a secret one. We'll see you later.
Take it over to Discord. We'll see you soon, G. Peace.
Bye, G.
All right. What do you think the chances are Carpalooza shows up?
I feel like they're very low. If I had won $11,000, I would have popped up immediately.
I would have been focused. I would have. But, listen, maybe that's why he won. I feel like Carpalooza is like at the party right now, but he's like upstairs in a different room hanging out with a smaller crew. And he's itching to get back to the rest of the party, but he doesn't even know what's going on the dance floor right now.
Yeah, he's making a big mistake.
I want to bring someone on here, but I want it to be Carpalooza. Let's take a couple random questions from the chat here. If someone puts in the chat
he's there, Carpalooza.
No way. You seen him?
Yeah, I see him. Carpalooza, I'm here.
Can you just, Carpalooza, can you spam? There's a lot of chat here. I see Grayson. We got people coming literally from Australia to tune in right now. I don't see Carpalooza. I don't see what happens sometimes. Carpalooza, give it to me.
I saw him.
You saw him. I didn't see him. If you see him, can you grab it?
I can't grab it because I'm just a guest on here, but
you're not eBay. I'm eBay.
Correct.
Got it. But Carpalooza, can you give me a little something more? Not sure. Winner did come from live comments. Haven't seen it. Cool card break said he's here. Nah, he's gone. Palooza fainted. He's out. Here, fam. Nope. I also don't see his comment. Does Holland still have upside? Same question for Mbappe. I'm going to bring that human on. Let's see. Can we? GMH33. Let's see if I can search. G.M.H. Nope.
How do we ban Rips cards from the chat?
GMH. Let's see. GMH33. Nope. I'm also going to search Card Palooza. Can you guys incite some chatter while I'm here? Oh, it popped up. I invited him. Requested. Card Palooza has an official request out. Let's see if we get Card Palooza on here. I think so.
In the meantime, what was your guys' favorite part of the show that went for 4 hours?
Ryan?
That's a good question.
Oh, my goodness.
Hold on, give me 1 second.
Listen, I mean, it's been more than 1 second
What's
at this
up?
point. But look,
Yeah, no,
Card
my
Palooza,
messages
what's
weren't
your name?
going through.
Card Palooza, talk to us. What's up?
What's up? Sorry, my messages weren't going through.
They weren't. I don't know why, but I don't know. It feels like you might be upset that you just won. What's happening?
No, I just can't even believe it, really. You know what I mean? That's just amazing.
It's a huge box, bro.
What'd you say?
It's a huge box.
Yeah, how much is that worth? I'm going to probably hold on to it, but I saw someone say go rip it, and I'm like, yeah, right, I'm not doing that.
Yeah,
I think Ryan said it's 10 grand.
about 10K.
Jeez, well, that sounds pretty good.
That's not a bad IG live to pop into. Were you tuned into the live stream?
Yeah, I was watching it for probably the past 2 hours. I knew about it, but I don't know why I forgot. I should have set an alarm.
So you popped in here, you threw a comment down, and then all of a sudden you won. Give us 2 seconds on your background and all things cards.
I've been collecting since I was a little kid. I really got back into it about March last year. I really like it, really into basketball. I'm from Boston. Sorry to be all over the place, but
You're good.
Random to get on here.
You're
But
good. All right, so you're basketball. This is a 1920 flawless. Outside of something super big, who's your player and what do you are hoping to pull out of here?
well, my secret little one that I've been collecting since about June is Keldon Johnson. That's it's not huge, but you know what I mean, sleeper. So
You're talking about arguably the best receiver of all time?
no, Keldon Johnson.
Kelvin. I thought you said Calvin. I was like,
No,
interesting.
Keldon Johnson from the Spurs.
Rye, do you get much Kelvin action coming through the shop?
I mean, the stuff people trying to prospect on it, but he's not a everyday kind of ask.
Yeah, probably not.
All right, give us quick hot take before you get kicked. What's the background behind Card Palooza? Are you a Lollapalooza guy? What's going on?
I'd say, yeah, that's where I got the name from, Lollapalooza, Card Palooza. I don't know. It was just a quick, you know what I mean? Just made it. Not too much thought behind it.
Good stuff. Lou, also, I respect you popping off and taking the phone call while still being on live. What was your name, Card Palooza?
Sean.
Amazing. Well, eBay has just blessed you with this box.
Huge.
Not a bad evening. Appreciate you stopping by. Appreciate you tuning in.
Yeah, thanks, guys.
There's going to be more giveaways at the after party.
Thanks, guys. Awesome show.
Peace.
Later, bro.
Peace.
All right. Look, I'm getting flamed in the comments. I get it. He said Kelvin Johnson. I said Calvin Johnson. My mind's been on the Detroit Lions legend because I actually think that's a play to be had. So I apologize. Lou, how was your phone call?
Blues interview. Tough scene.
Tough scene for sure.
Loading.
Classic. Always has something quick to say when their Wi-Fi goes out. But
Yep.
all right.
Yeah.
We've got another giveaway. We're just gonna rip and run. We've got another giveaway, and this one we are going to say is the first off the line Prism football. All right.
Another big box.
Another big box. A lot of demand for these coming through the store.
Yeah, I mean Prism, and that's a premier brand. That's 1A or 1B in terms of product. That's what people are looking for.
Amazing. Well, we have our winner. It has come in, and soon to be good friend at Adam Hamilton 1313. This box is yours.
Adam with the dub.
From eBay to me, to the post office, to you. You won. Get it. Come on, jump in the comments here. I want to know if you are quicker to the draw than Card Palooza. Let's see. Not a bad giveaway. I mean, let's be real. Adam
we got more.
Whoosh. You hold down the comment section real quick. I'm gonna see if we can get Adam joining us here. Adam, send a request.
What was it, Adam Hamilton?
Adam Hamilton.
So the giveaway was selected at random by Jason, the producer, who's in.
No, these ones are actually selected by Kelly.
These ones
on
are
eBay.
eBay. The ones on Card Talk Live were selected by Jason. These ones are eBay, right?
Yep.
Right.
They've been doing all like randomizer,
eBay's doing.
.com stuff. Adam Hamilton. Where you at? Where you at?
Is he gonna show up?
I don't know. All right, let's see what's going on. If you give me one of those packs, I'd freak out. How do I get in the giveaway? You just entered it, Henry. Comments get you in the giveaway. The after party is in Clubhouse. That'll be over there. That's like, the party next door. You got to jump in. How do you join? You literally just have an account, if you have an account, and we're going to be on over there. We're supposed to be there 1 minute ago, but look, sometimes it happens. Adam Hamilton is unable to join. Tough scene, but that's all right. It's still his, and he wins. Card Talk Pod, I got you. Hold up, Card Talk Pod. He's coming back. He's going to say he's been ready the whole time. Lou, where you at? Enter our friend Lou. What's up, bro? Comcast went down or something?
Look,
First of all, I have Fios. Second of all, my internet's fine. I got kicked out for unknown reasons. Maybe someone kicked me out because I'm the 2-0 Pac World champion, potentially.
Asterisks, right? Full on asterisks.
Dude, this whole thing where, like, Ryan's jumping on Tyler's bandwagon for no reason is just mind-boggling.
You missed the film session where the rules were laid out clearly.
I asked you before we started.
Who's winning Champions League, Lou?
Who's winning Champions League? I'm going to go with PSG.
I like the play.
Thank you.
Credit
to me for knowing that.
Yeah, I do. I do give you love for that. I put you into a tough spot right there. Bayern's going to win. I'm not happy about it. Wait, Adam Hamilton? Nah, bro. You just literally made a fake Adam Hamilton account, and I'm not about it. I see what you're doing here, but it's not going to happen. I apologize. It is time for our third and final giveaway. And just like Alan LY said, make a play. It's all about making a plays. Boom. Here we go. This is a 1920 Prism. You know who that is. All right. This giveaway is happening. Let me just see. There's another Adam Hamilton account. A lot of Adam Hamiltons out here. Boom. All right. Text is in.
Who's the winner?
At Wiz Collectibles, and that is WIS.
Wow.
Collectibles has
Wiz.
officially won the box. All
By the
you.
way, I'm officially in, like, shambles. I just want you guys to know.
You
I'm
got
in
it. You
Let's
need
keep
hydration.
rocking.
You need
Yeah, I'm
hydration
hydrated.
back. That's that. Boom. Third and final giveaway done. We are going to now keep it moving. It was like a quick after party stop in. Head over to the after party. If you've been rocking with us for now 4.5 hours, that's amazing. And I will see you
Still got
at
more.
the clubhouse.
Clubhouse, baby.
Peace.
And there goes left. So I need to move that. And now.